Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Crocheters Creed. And today I am back with another tiny little tutorial for you, which is a tablet case, but I decided to throw some, Enderman eyes on it, just to, spice it up a bit, because I would just have a regular black tablet case and that would be kind of boring. So I decided to make this a tutorial. Given you can make and put anything you want on the tablet case. It starts out with a very simple black pattern, black yarn, all half double crochets, and that's about it. You can add whatever you want to it. I decided to add Enderman eyes to mine. It's really quick, really easy, so I'm just going to show you what materials that you will need. So for mine, I have black yarn. What in the world is that? I hate when it does that. Ugh. Anyway, black yarn, purple yarn, and pink yarn. You will also need scissors, your yarn needle if you don't want to glue, your glue gun if you prefer to glue, and your glue. You will also need your hook, a 6.5 millimeter hook, and if you want, a stitch marker. I'll explain why you have a stitch marker in a bit. When you're doing half double crochet, technically you don't need a stitch marker. But anyway, I will show you how to make the bottom part of the tablet case, and after that everything's pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so like I said, the pattern consists of half double crochet and half double crochet, and that's pretty much it. And so for the eyes and everything, it's pretty straightforward. The only thing that I want to make clear that some people might have problems with are the bottom part of the tablet case. And granted, you're going to chain how big your tablet case is. So this is my tablet case, my old tablet case, and I just chained how long the bottom is to it. And of course the rows depend on how tall your tablet case is, and you can do this for anything, a phone case, anything like that. And so what I did was I chained 16. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And for this chain, you are going to half double crochet in every stitch across. After you have reached the end of the row, you are going to chain 2, and if you've made slippers before or baby booties, what I want you to do is go into the stitch right next to it. So this stitch. So you're half double crocheting on the other side of the chain that you have just done. So you're going to go back down and half double crochet back down the chain that you have done, and then I will meet you back for row 1, since I consider this the starting row. I have reached the end, and what you are going to do is slip stitch into the, can you see that? Is that focused all the way? slip stitch into the top stitch here. And then you're going to chain 2. Now you're going to go back down this row until you reach the end. So half double crochet in every stitch around until you reach the end. Alright, now I've reached my end, and you are going to slip stitch. After you've reached your end, you're going to slip stitch into the top stitch and chain 2. Now again, you are going to half double crochet back down the row until you get to the end. So half double crochet, why do I keep saying that? Half double crochet down the row until you reach the end. Alright, now once you've reached the end, slip stitch into the top stitch. Now for me, this was enough rows for my tablet to fit. And this is your last row of going one end and ending it, and then another end and ending it. Now all you're going to do is chain 2 and half double crochet around the entire thing without stopping at the ends. Half double crochet around the entire thing until you get your desired length of your tablet case. Now again, like I said, depending on your tablet, you might have to make this bigger, which means more rows of this, or the length of it, you may have to make more rows to fit your tablet case in it. So after that, chain 2, half double crochet around for each row until you get your desired length, and then you move on to your eyes and pupils, which are just half double crochets. You'll need some ends, need to sew in your ends and everything, and I will put my tablet case on top of my messed up or ripped up tablet case so you guys can see what it looks like, which will also be the final product. So one moment. I've put it on. I think it looks pretty good. Simple, easy, and I think sort of adorable, really cute. This is the final product. Like I said, very easy, super quick. This is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you soon. Bye.